Hi all, welcome along. Just a little vlog, nothing fancy this morning. It's a Sunday morning and I'm taking a little trip into town. I need to pick up a few bits and pieces at Sainsbury's, so I thought I would just take the bike. I also need to get some fuel this morning because if it brightens up we'll probably go out another ride, and I prefer to get my fuel from Esso because I collect the nectar points, and it soon mounts up, by the way. I've had my nectar card a good few years now, and I've had well over £200 on it. The amount of stuff that I've bought on the card with points that I've accumulated is unbelievable. So that's why I use Esso. When you get the super unleaded, which the GSX likes, you get extra points normally, so it soon mounts up. Truckfest is on at the moment at the Ingliston showground, and Edinburgh has got its usual roadworks and congestion, so it's a good idea to take the bike in. This junction up here that we're coming to, this has been going for months. It's going to take them 4 months to realign this junction and put a set of traffic lights up. So that'll be 3 sets of traffic lights within a space of a couple of 100 yards. Unbelievable. But at least they've taken the temporary lights away. There was temporary traffic lights here. For what reason I don't know. But they're gone now, thankfully. So that's one to remember for my commute to work tomorrow. Oh, guaranteed to be back on tomorrow. Another knob jockey with a roof box. These are getting more common now, between them and the bloody roof tents. And it's always just melts that are driving the cars or vans. I've even seen these roof tents on bloody vans. Just to let everybody know that, oh, we're the outdoorsy type. I totally get it if you're going on holiday or what have you, but you see these melts, they've got these roof boxes and tent things on the roofs of their cars all year round. You try to tell me you go camping in the middle of December and it's pissing down with rain? Don't think so. Just saying cheerio to him. Fair amount of cars going into the town this morning, and it's just after 9 AM, so God knows where they're all going to. This road's an absolute disgrace. It's like an obstacle course. Citroen seems to be moving over, thank you very much. You've got to be so far over. Ah, you can see me, I'm looking at you in the mirror. You know I'm here. Fucking melt. Nice wee leg out for that rider. Last time I had somebody stick their leg out was when Willie and I were over in Europe. A lot of them done that, so we adopted that. It's quite good, quite funny. itchy eyebrows. You always notice when you get up behind some of these fucking knob ends, they go right out to the line, like this fucking tit. But we'll just sort you out now, you fucking banger. We may as well do you for good measure. Hello, what's going on here? The walking club maybe? At least they're all colourful. There's another fucking knob jockey with a roof box. See what I mean? It must be in the fashion. Yep, just you go and change lane. By the way, there's no bus lane cameras on a Sunday, so you could have went up the bus lane. Welcome to the shithole called Edinburgh. And it is a shithole now. Never used to be. No, it was never ever great, but over the last few years it's really went downhill. Absolute shithole now. That's new. Burger King Subway. They've put an extension on that garage. Oh, neutral. Right, I'll need to go a different way because the way that I would normally go to Blackhall is closed. So I will reroute. Ah, there's a bridge up here that I normally pass, but they're refurbishing it, so that means the road's going to be shut for months. Yeah, just to get a wee sandblast and a lick of paint. So we will take a cheeky left here. Oh, hello everyone. Hi. I do that all the time on both bikes now. The indicators on the Honda are at the bottom, and the indicators on every other bike is at the top. So I end up tooting the horn at everyone. Right, I think I'll take a wee sneaky further up. I need to sneeze. Oh, got away with that one. I don't like sneezing in a full face helmet. Open face helmets are fine, you just open the lid and fucking sneeze. And if any shite comes out, well, it doesn't land inside your helmet. Although, touch wood, I've never had that on a full face helmet yet. Right, used to going in there now, good. Just up here, just you decide to turn at the last minute, eh? We'll take a cheeky wee right. Rat run mode engaged. I need to open this lid, it's getting warm. Oh, that's better. I just hope it doesn't get sunny because this showy helmet doesn't have a sunshade, and my sunglasses are at home. Take a wee cheeky right here. Makes a change. Normally it's a struggle to get out of there. And we'll be passing Edinburgh Zoo on the left. Haven't been in the zoo for years. A long time. There we go, the zoo. Believe it or not, it actually says keep clear on the road here, but the council can't be arsed maintaining the paint. Well, look at the paint on the roads in this country anyway, they're a disgrace. Yet when Willie and I were over in Europe, the vast majority of the roads butter smooth, no potholes or anything like that. The lines sharp, crystal clear. Different ball game. So this is a nice little shortcut. It saves you trying to get out at the bottom onto Queensferry Road, because that's an absolute riot to get out of. It's nice. Dodge Ram or whatever, American. He's coming this way. You've only got half the traffic to worry about. Yeah, it's quite warm this morning, but how long it's going to last I don't know, because the sky doesn't look too clever. So no doubt it'll be pissing down this afternoon. There we go. Right, let's nip in and get my bits and bobs, because I can't get them anywhere else.